Welcome to another episode of Smell Engine Velocity. This is Caesar, your host. Today we have a Brother Ruckus update, which to me is a pretty significant update. As you saw, I went ahead and removed the crappy harness that I got earlier, thinking that I would at least get it to be able to turn over with the crappy harness, but that didn't happen. So I went ahead and Lee from Ruck City went ahead and donated a harness for this project, and I kind of want to go over, and I know I've been going over of this bike with a bunch of stuff, but I want to show you what I've done, and I want you to be there when I first turn the motor over. So here we go, let's take a look. First of all, we replaced the starter, and then we used Allen bolt 12.9 grade bolts here. And then hooked up the power. The stator was the wrong connector, so I went ahead and rewired the stator. Hopefully I got it right. We'll see. I just want it to turn over at the moment, so I'm not 100% sure that this will be right. Then I got the other ground that goes to here, and the other ground that's over here on the starter. Harness runs this way. I went ahead and put the battery in the regular battery spot, and then hooked up the rectifier, hooked up the CDI, went ahead and did the frame mount for the ground right here, and then I'm getting a green light. Oh, I have the... Okay, so let's first things first. This is the left side control, or right side control. This is a custom harness that I make. It bypasses, or it leaves your kill switch on all the time, and then it goes into this, which has a push button start on the end. If anyone's interested in buying this will work on Get or GY6. All it does is hook up to the either stock control or the ATR harness, so it's interchangeable between the two. And all you do is just unplug the old control, plug this one in, and put your button wherever the heck you feel like putting the button. Anyways, golly, why aren't you focusing? There you go. Or here, or here, or here, or here, or here, wherever you want to put your start button. In order to make this test run work, this is my ignition for the key, but I like to call it the hot wire spot right here. And then this is the brake. You have to be pulling the brake to get it to turn over. So yeah, everything else is together. I don't see why it wouldn't start. Oh yeah, never mind, there's no fuel, so we'll just make it turn over today. And then we'll know that the motor's not locked up. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So like I said before, we have to pretend the key is in the ignition by twisting these two together. Very crude. And then we're going to take the brake switch. You know that it's on because you can see the green light in the relay. We'll take one of the brake levers and just kind of jump some wires. Go to the custom start button relocation tool that I made, and oh, there you go. Okay, so it's not starting obviously because I don't have fuel, but that is a huge leap, huge advancement. So now I know the harness and everything is good, which is more than I can say for my own bike. But still, you still need all the other things hooked up. But look. Magic. By the way, this is my old battery that I thought was bad. It is far from bad. It was just me and my other problems. There you go. Sweet. I do dig this little thing right here. Now you can cut this and still connect and tap in a kill switch if you wanted to, but I mean, why not just use your key as your kill switch? I know that's such a difficult task. But I can make these. I'd like to make these. These are fun. It's just literally one piece. There you go. Anyways, let's summarize. So, the harness works. It turns over. It doesn't start, but that's just because I don't have any gas. And off camera, I tried it with starting fluid, but I don't have a filter on it, so it doesn't really work as good as it could. So, what does that mean? That means I'm going to go ahead and make another video where I actually get it to start, or at least kick over and whatever, maybe even test compression. And then after that, we'll disassemble the bike. We'll send it off to powder coating or whatever he's going to do with the frame. That's his point. And then we'll catch up from there. But anyways, I just wanted to share progress on this. I'd like to thank Ruck City for the harness, for my brother to make his dreams come true as a future Ruckus rider. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see everybody in the next video.